What exactly are mineral and energy resources, and why are they so important in our daily lives? In this video, we'll break down the meaning of mineral resources, naturally occurring substances like iron, copper, gold, and other valuable elements found in the Earth's crust, and energy resources, which include sources like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and renewable energy that power our world. So, here is the introduction. Mineral and energy resources are natural, non-renewable materials like iron, coal, and petroleum, and renewable sources, solar, wind, essential for industrial development and daily life. They are categorized into metallic, ferrous, non-ferrous, non-metallic, and conventional, non-conventional energy sources, heavily concentrated in specific geological regions like India's northeastern plateau. They are formed over millions of years. India is rich in iron ore and coal, but imports copper, lead, and petroleum. Type of energy resources. 1. Conventional, non-renewable. Conventional sources of energy are non-renewable. They are finite natural resources that have been used for a long time, primarily including fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear energy. They are heavily utilized for electricity generation and transportation, making up over 90% of global commercial energy, but they cause significant environmental pollution. Non-renewable energy sources are formed over millions of years. Some non-renewable mineral and energy resources are iron, copper, coal, and petroleum. 2. Non-conventional, renewable. Non-conventional or non-renewable energy sources are sustainable, naturally found in infinite quantity. They are renewable in environment, such as solar, wind, biomass, tidal, and geothermal that provide clean alternatives to finite fossil fuels. These sources are environmentally friendly, featuring low carbon emissions and reducing reliance on traditional polluting energy. Some renewable energy resources are solar, high potential, wind, Tamil Nadu's Nagercoil Madurai, tidal, and geothermal, Puga Valley, Parvati Valley. Key non-renewable energy resources and occurrence. Iron ore, basic mineral, mainly found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, and Jharkhand, 97% of production. Magnetite is the highest quality.
Mica, essential for electrical/electronic industries, found on the edge of the Chota Nagpur Plateau and in Rajasthan/Andhra Pradesh. Bauxite, major ore for aluminum, found in Odisha, Amarkantak Plateau, Chhattisgarh, and Madhya Pradesh. Other minerals, copper, Rajasthan, limestone, widely used in cement. Key renewable resources and occurrence. Solar energy. India has immense solar potential, particularly in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. Wind energy. Primarily located in coastal states, wind power is concentrated in Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Rajasthan, which have high wind speed corridors. Hydropower. Large hydro projects, roughly 47 gigawatts, and small hydro, 5 gigawatts, are located predominantly along the Himalayan belt, J&K, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and in the northeastern states. Biomass/bioenergy. With over 11 gigawatts of capacity, bioenergy utilizes agricultural waste, heavily present in states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh. Other sources. Geothermal. Found in potential areas like the Puga Valley, Ladakh, Tatapani, Chhattisgarh, and Manikaran, Himachal Pradesh. Tidal/ocean. Potential exists along the coastlines of Gujarat, Gulf of Combat, and West Bengal, Sundarbans.